Welcome to Beneration. Beneration is your one-stop shop to changing and modifying and viewing any of your benefits. To access your benefits, please go to Beneration.com and click Login on the top right. Once you're here, you'll notice the form to enter your username and password. If you forgot either of those, there are links to reset them. If this is your first time logging into our site, please utilize the link below that says New to the site. Click here to request access. In doing so, you'll be prompted to enter in some of your basic information as well as create an account for your username and password. Once you've done that, you'll be able to log into our system immediately and start making changes to your benefits. If you're a returning user, you can go ahead and enter in your username and password. Once your username has been recognized, you should be greeted with your company's logo at the top. Once you've logged in, please reference your message center to see any communications that your company wants to communicate to you. To the left of this page, under Employee Tools, you can view your current information. You should be greeted with your name, your address, and some of your other basic details. If anything looks incorrect, please use the Update Your Information button to change it. You can also view your dependents and beneficiaries that might be in our system. And lastly, you can also view your coverages. If you have any questions about a coverage, please reference first our plan summaries. You should be prompted with that benefits plan summary. For each benefit that you're enrolled in, you'll see what level you're enrolled in, when it started, and how much your per pay deduction is. As you go through your benefits, you might notice that some are grayed out. A grayed out benefit means that it is no longer active, and you can view the date at which it was terminated. At the very bottom, your total monthly deduction is summed for all active benefits. If you have what's called a qualifying event, or if your personal information looks incorrect, please feel free to update your information with the button above. Qualifying events range from anything from marriage to a divorce to a birth or loss of a dependent. Please select your qualifying event reason. If this is a simple information change and nothing regarding benefits, please click Employee Information Change Only. Regardless of what type of application you selected, the first page of the process will always be your basic information. This is where you'll have a chance to correct anything that may be incorrect in our system or anything that might have recently changed. The following page, if you're completing an entire application where coverages are applicable to change, is your beneficiaries. The second page of the application is your dependent information. If you are completing an information change only, these following sections will not apply to you. To make a change to an existing dependent, click the Update button. If a dependent should no longer be listed on our website, please click Remove. If you're adding a new dependent, go ahead and click Add New Dependent. In the scenario that we're doing right now, we're adding a new child. Once you're done making changes to your dependents, the next page may be optional for your company. Beneficiaries are stored in our system whenever you have a benefit, such as life, STD, or LTD, where a beneficiary designation is encouraged. In some instances, it may be optional. In others, it may be required. The fourth page of our application is to change coverages. When you get to this page, any coverages that you see are benefits that are available to you with your specific per paid contributions. There should be plan links associated with most plans on the site. and whatever election tiers you see are those that are available to you based off of your dependent listing. If you do not have a child or you do not have a spouse listed, you will not see those enrollment options appearing on your page. If you do wish to enroll a child, but that child is not selected, please navigate backwards and enter your child back on the dependent information page. If you wish to waive any coverage that you are currently enrolled in, please do so with the Waive Coverage button at the bottom of each benefit. Once you are done making changes to your coverages, please click the Next Review Changes button, where you'll be prompted to review your current changes. The final page where you view your changes, you can actually navigate away from here and return at any point within the next 10 business days. Our system does track all your changes each page of the application, so if you do get to this review page and wish to talk it over with another family member before submitting the application, you can do so simply by signing out or navigating away from this page. If you are satisfied with your changes, you can hit Approve Changes. Once you have done so, you'll be greeted with a message that lets you know it has been sent out, and it will now be listed in this Pending Applications. Navigating back to the home page, if your company utilizes our system to track forms and documents, you can click My Forms under Employee Tools. Depending on what your company has listed on our website, you may expect to see many additional subcategories on this page. To view a form, click on the subcategory and then click on the link that appears. If there is a form that you are expecting to be on this page but is not listed, please contact your HR or broker.